Hi guys, I've come to the range at Avonmead. So look, see if I could find the little radio controlled cars that look identical to the flywheel or friction powered cars that they have in Poundland. And they haven't got any in stock. I'm quite frustrated. Because the other range that's, well, the other side of town that I do go into occasionally, they had them, but I just didn't want to pay because of the stupid queue at the tills. So I'd put it back down again. I thought they're bound to have it at this one. But no, they haven't got it. They got these, which do look interesting, but they're not what I'm looking for. $4.99. The ones I'm looking for were $3.99. These are smaller. What did I see? 27 megahertz. Oh, and they'll probably be fun for a few minutes. Oh, just going to drop that one on the floor then. Almost saved it. I mean, look at this. You can't get it out of the shelf without twisting it. But no, they haven't got any of the ones that I want. Very frustrating. Made a special journey here. Oh well, that's that. We won't be able to test my theory that it's the same body shell as the Poundland ones. Not today anyway. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.